Hi, puppies. It's your first trip outside, huh? They just got done eating, and they're still I just kind of gave them a sponge bath with baby wipes, so they're still covered in puppy food. Not as bad as you were, though. They get coated in it. Puppies. Where's your babies, Izzy, huh? Are those Izzy's babies? Yes, those are Izzy's babies, huh? Yeah. Those are Izzy babies. Puppies. 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 Go puppies. What you guys doing, huh? Oh, little cuties, huh? Puppies. What? Puppies. Puppies. What you guys doing? Little puppies. Little puppy food covered puppies. 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 Pups. What? Oh, hi, fussy butt. What fussy butt? You guys gotta hold still. I can't get your pictures. What? Am I gonna have to get in there to get you? What is it, big fussy babies, huh? Big fussy babies. All right, I'll get in with you. Puppies. Puppies. Okay. You playing with the balls, huh? Yeah. You like that ball, huh? What are you doing over there, huh? Those are babies, Izzy. Those are Izzy's babies, huh? Izzy's little babies. Getting all tangled in my earbuds. Of course. Yes. Of course. Oh, they following you, Izzy, huh? Your babies love you. What? You like it outside. It's fun. Hot. I'm sure all those toys and they want the dead leaf, right? Look, play with the toys, guys. What's that? Huh? What's that? What's that? What are you doing? They just ate, so they're kind of lazy. Fat and full, huh? Fat, full, and lazy. She found a bed on the butterfly. What? You tired, huh?
Izzy.
You all stretched out. Like a little froggy baby, huh? I'm moving in slow motion. Guys, are you sleepy, huh? Are you sleepy or something? Oh, cuties, huh? Let me see that face. See that little wet face. I'm so cute, huh? You're so cute. What? What, silly? What? What? What you doing, cutie? Up. You look so much like your daddy. What you guys gathering over here for, huh? Let me see your face. Let me see that face. Open your eyes, lazy butt. Open your eyes. Izzy. Good girl. You're a good puppy. Tipping.
Where did you get these rocks from?
Over at the quarry down Peltoma, past the airport.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, so cutie face. What are you doing, cutie face, huh? And what are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Silly puppy. Silly puppy. Little boy. What are you doing, little boy? Huh? What are you doing, little boy? Little boy. What are you doing? Silly puppy kid. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Silly boy. Silly boy. Ow. Don't bite. Don't bite your brother. Not very nice. Oh, tired, huh? Are you tired? Let me see that face. Let me see that face. Oh, what a cutie face, huh? What a cutie face. You're so cute. You're so cute. Can't move. You guys are all right under my feet. They just turned 4 weeks old. Didn't you? At 11:30 last night. You turned 4, well, the first puppy turned 4 weeks old 11:30 last night. What? Oh, fuzzy baby, huh? Fuzzy baby, is it nap time? Boy, you look like your daddy. You look just like your daddy when he was that age. Silly puppies. Doing easy, you thirsty girl, huh? Good girl, Izzy. What? You have to stay. Oh, you wagging your tail for your mommy. They just started wagging their tails, too. Oh, she love you, Izzy, huh? Your baby love you. Look at the tail go, Cam. You see a little tail go? You have a happy tail like your daddy, huh? Your daddy's the happiest dog I've ever seen in my life. Luca's nickname is Mr. Happy. He's always happy. He loves everything, even though they don't love him necessarily. Like the kitty. What? You just walked on your brother's head. Don't care at all, do you? What? What? Oh, suffering puppies, huh? Poor little babies. Poor little babies. Pup, 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 pup. Puppy, 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 puppy. Hi, puppy, 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 puppy. Hi, puppy, puppy, puppy. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Pup, 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 pup. What? Okay, this is enough for your first time out. Pretty hot out here for your mom, too, huh? You hot, Izzy boy. We'll go in for QBs, huh? Want some ice cube bones? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Izzy boy. What? What? You want now? What? What? Easy? 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 Oh, what's this, huh? What's this? What's this? You do? Say bye.